In this guide, you'll learn how to unlock your iPhone with a voice. Let's start it. First, make sure you know your passcode because you'll need to set up the voice command. Once you have it, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then find and select Voice Control. Turn the voice control toggle on if it's not already enabled. Now I can click on Language and select it. Then go to Commands. Select New Command. Here you'll need to enter the phrase you want to use to unlock your phone. For example, I'm gonna set it as Hello, unlock my phone. After that, tap Action and select Run Custom Gesture. Now you will see a gesture screen. This is where you need to input your passcode. The tricky part is that the screen won't show you the numbers. So you need to remember or mark the position of your passcode digits ahead of time. Perform the gestures that correspond to your passcode and set them up. Once you have done that, tap Save and exit the settings. Now lock your iPhone and try saying your voice command like unlock your phone, unlock my phone. If everything is set up correctly, your phone should unlock. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.